In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the Masso Support ticketing system, how to log in and create a ticket, how to check the status of your tickets and reply, and why using this method for support is better than using email. To use the Masso Support customer portal, go to the User Support Tickets link found at the top of all Masso web pages. This will take you to the customer portal where you can sign in. Please note that the username and password is not the one you use to log into the Masso forum or to the My Workshop portal. If you do not already have an account, you can sign up for one by simply clicking Sign Up With Us and fill in the requested details. The name you would like to be called in all replies and your email address. Once this is done, click Register and an email will be sent to your email address for verification. Click the link in the email and you will be directed to this page where you can complete your registration by setting your password. Click Activate and Login and you'll be taken to your portal where you will be able to create, view and manage your support tickets. If at some time in the past you have sent an email to Masso Support, you will see this message when you go to sign up for your account. Email has already been taken. This is because the support system automatically sets up an account when it receives an email. Simply click Login and Forgot Your Password. Type in your email address followed by Reset My Password and an email will be sent to you with a password reset link. Click on this link and enter the password you want to use with your account. Click Update and Login and you'll be taken to your new portal. Now that you are logged in, you can complete and manage your profile by clicking on Edit Profile. You can change your name, enter a title, add additional contact details, change your password, and add a photo to your profile. Here I'm going to click Add Photo. I select the photo I want to use and double click on it. I then click Save Changes. Make sure that the photo you use is a minimum of 150 by 150 pixels. Ensure that it is square or your profile photo will be distorted. You will find that you cannot change the email address of your account, so if you do need to change your email, please create a new account. To create a new ticket, click on New Support Ticket. In the subject line, enter a quick description of your request and your Masso serial number. This will make identifying your ticket easier later on. In the description box, please leave a detailed description of your issue or request. The more information you can provide with your request, the easier it will be for the person processing it to give you an answer without having to ask you follow-up questions. It is critical that you only ask one question per ticket. If you have more than one question to ask, please create a new ticket for each question. When multiple questions are asked on the same ticket, it is likely that something will be missed as focus is changed to the new subject. You can attach files to your ticket to provide additional information. One of the more useful files to attach is the printable settings file from your Masso G3, which will give support staff valuable information about your Masso settings. Other useful files you can attach are photos and screen prints. Please note that there's a 20 megabyte limit on files. Once you have finished, press Submit to send your ticket. When your request is answered by one of our support team, you will receive an email. You can reply to the email directly, but as more replies are made, you will find keeping track of your ticket status becomes difficult. This is where logging in and using the ticketing portal really has the advantage. By clicking on Tickets I can instantly see the status of my tickets. I can select between seeing all tickets, which will show me every ticket I have created, resolved and closed tickets, which can be referred back to at any time, or open and pending tickets. You can also order your tickets based on various criteria by clicking Sort By. Here I can see I have 2 tickets that have been answered and are waiting for replies from me, and one that is waiting to be answered. By clicking on the ticket, I can see the reply that support have sent. I can answer by clicking here to send a reply. I can see the agent who is currently working on my ticket. I can add the email address of another person if I wish to include them in notifications of this ticket. I can click here to mark the ticket as closed. Depending on your question, it is not unusual to see different support staff working on your tickets, or for the support person to change. As you can see, using email to keep track of your open, closed and tickets needing replies can be very difficult. But by using the Masso Customer Portal, you will find this very easy indeed.